If you manage shared amenities, you have to try WiseIngress. A complete reservation platform saves you time, confusion, and the stress of having to go through endless lists every time someone makes a booking. The technology behind our hardware is unique. We integrate software into innovative smart locks to make reservations contactless and efficient by generating a time-sensitive access PIN that can be used to unlock the smart lock. And the best part is, you don't need to connect the lock to the internet to work. Customers looking to use your amenity can book through our app to get the time-sensitive PIN code that only works based on scheduled time. We provide a fully integrated administration dashboard with flexible service options customized to your specific needs. Our solutions cover all industries: real estate, vacation rentals, transport, fitness facilities, libraries. As long as it's shareable, we can make it reservable. So what are you waiting for? Visit www.wiseingress.io now to get started.